Did you know that woodpeckers smash their beaks into a tree around 20 times every second to dig out grubs? Ouch, that's gotta hurt. Well, for a long time, scientists thought that woodpeckers must have built-in shock absorbers that stop them from getting a concussion. But new evidence actually suggests otherwise. It's now thought that a woodpecker's brain is so small that they actually don't suffer any injuries despite having no protection. So, luckily for woodpeckers, they can carry on pecking without getting hurt.